Hey y'all, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to check out another one of my videos, or if you are new here, hey, hello and welcome. My name is Katie Marie and I like to talk about eyeshadow palettes mainly, but just about anything makeup related. And today I have two really popular beauty boxes that I'm very excited to be unboxing. They both happen to arrive days apart and I figured it'd be fun to do a little battle of the unboxing videos with the subscription boxes. One of them being Boxycharm and the other one being Tribe Beauty Box that is now a bag. So yeah, if you want to see what I got in them and I'll price compare and show you guys the value of the box, just stay tuned. We'll be getting into it very soon. But before we dive in, I do want to do my Instagram shout out for today. And for today, the Instagram shout out goes to Adisha.xo. She commented on my most recent post. So Addie, thank you so much for interacting with my content and you are my Instagram shout out for today. And per usual, if you want a chance to be featured at the beginning of my videos and my Instagram shout out, all you have to be doing is following me on Instagram and interact with my posts and I'll randomly select someone to shout out at the beginning of my videos. So now let's go ahead and jump right in and get into these boxes. Alright, so let's just go ahead and unbox a Boxycharm first, I guess. There's no real rhyme or reason, but I want to unbox Boxycharm first. I do get this sent in PR. I've just told the story before. I wasn't expecting to get it, and especially this month. It's the 13th that I'm filming this. It arrived yesterday. I didn't think I was going to be getting it this month, but I did get it, so I'm unboxing it. But anyway, I did get a card this month, and I have the version 24, and I do want to say that I had a couple people ask in my last unboxing what my weight was, but since I'm not expecting to get these boxes anymore, I don't get emails with the tracking number anymore from Boxycharm. I guess I could stick this tracking in there and see if I can see from there. I'll give that a try, and if I can figure it out, I'll put it on the screen. But at the time of me filming this, I don't know the weight of it. So anyway, let's just keep on moving. It looks like the theme is spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, slumber. Usually they just have one word on these little cards, but they have all of them. Glamping, I think, is what the BoxyGlamping is what the hashtag is. So glamping. Such a weird word. Anyway, let's dive right in. First thing that I see on the top, this is from Morphe. It's the I Got It 4-piece eye brush set. I love brushes. If you're new to my channel, I have a problem. Go watch any of my Shop My Stash videos or my Clean With Me videos and you'll see how many brushes I have. It's kind of embarrassing. So anyway, I'm excited because I just love more brushes. There are 4 little brushes in here. This retails for $12. I thought for a second that, can you guys see? This is empty, and I thought for a second they sent me with like a brush missing, but it's actually just fallen into the other. That was kind of funny. I literally thought they sent me a set with a missing brush. Anyway, I don't know if there's names to any of these, but a really tiny detail brush, which I like this type of brush to get really detail work in the crease. Bigger but still small blending brush, which I really like. It's not too large. I like that. I don't like them to be too big. A nice flat brush that would be great for packing on the lid or even my inner corner. It's that perfect size where I feel like it could easily do either. And then the standard slanted brush that I feel like nobody ever use or want, but it's included with every brush set. So yeah, overall, while I would never have purchased this, this is definitely something that I will most definitely use. So I'm excited I got it in this box. Next up is this big guy, GlamGlow Moisturizer Omega Rich Moisturizer. Ooh, I just ran out of my nighttime moisturizer, so I'm excited. I've never tried anything from GlamGlow. This is $54. Wow. Yeah, I'm going to be using this. I'm going to try it out tonight. Such fancy packaging. Like I said, I've never tried anything from GlamGlow. They were so big back in the day. I feel like I don't hear as much from them, or like they're not as popular, but maybe they are and I'm just not watching the people who rave about them. But oh yeah, the kind of moisturizer I like. Not too thick, kind of soaks right in, feels nice. Doesn't have too big of a smell to it, which I like. I don't like it to be too fragrant. And yeah, I'm excited. $54 is expensive. I never had plans to purchase from them because they're so expensive. So getting in my Boxycharm, that's amazing. I'm so excited and I'm definitely going to put this in my drawer and start using it tonight. Okay, so we are on a roll. I really like both of those products so far. Let's go to the next one. This is from RealHer I Am Inspiring Defining Brow Pencil. I don't know if I'm going to be opening this or like using this just because I feel like I have a lot of brow products already, and yeah, it's like a very micro type of brow product, and you guys see my brows. I don't need that, so I am going to be sticking this in my giveaway pile to do a giveaway. I'm so close to hitting 10,000 subscribers. I definitely want to do a giveaway, so stay tuned for a giveaway coming very, very soon whenever that happens. Can I stick this back in? Anyway, all that to say, this is a really cool brand. I think that's neat. A nice addition to the box, but since it's a micro brow pencil, I don't need it, so I'll be putting it for someone to win in a future giveaway. And did I even say it retails for $16? All right, next one is from Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. This retails for $24. I feel like we've gotten some Aesthetica. That's just It's a hard word for me to say. But anyway, we've gotten some of those products in the past. I can't remember what I thought about them, but here we go. Just a very simple, you know, this actually reminds me of Manicadar. I just did an unboxing and I did a AIA unboxing and the whole theme of the box was from Manicadar, the brand. This is exactly what the setting powder, like the packaging of it is. But anyway, here it is. This is the bronzer and that actually looks like a really promising bronzer. I'm using it. Ooh, it feels really nice too. Nice and silky soft. Oh, I'm excited. It's a nice color. It looks really light, but it's just all depends on what you put on your face. Bronzer is one of those things where sometimes it looks like it won't do anything and then it does a lot for your face. So I'm just gonna have to wait and see, but I'm excited. It's a matte bronzer. It's nice. It's the right tone. It's the low cool tone, which is what I prefer. Looks like a very soft color, so I don't have to worry about going ham. I'm actually really excited about this. I thought this was gonna be a product I set aside. It was kind of a dud for me that I wouldn't use, but I'm gonna use it. I'm always excited for a matte bronzer. Yes, so another product that I'm excited to get in this box. Okay, and last up, oh, this is from Butter London. I love the brand Butter London, but this is their Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette, and it looks like a different version because I have a Teddy Boy. I got their Teddy Boy palette, but it was black. It's not this navy blue, so they must have different versions of their Teddy Boy, or maybe it was Teddy Girl that I got, and this is the Teddy Boy. Anyway, I got a version of this palette, and here is this one. This one's actually kind of fun because it is more blue, cool tone leaning. So if you're into taupes and stuff, you'd really enjoy this. I'm not going to be touching it though because I'm not really into cool tones right now, and I'm not really into neutrals. So for all those reasons, there's no reason for me to touch this. I have experience with their eyeshadows, and their mattes are always absolutely stunning, and their shimmers can be a little hit or miss, and only a miss for me because I like more of an intense shimmer. Their shimmers tend to be very soft. So if you like soft, then this will be right up your alley. But for me, since the color story isn't for me, I'm not going to open it, but I will be including it in a giveaway coming up. So one of you can hopefully use it and enjoy it. And I know a lot of people enjoy cool tones and neutrals, but I'm not going to be opening it. I'll save it for one of you guys. Okay, so as I said, I got this sent in PR, so I didn't purchase it, but the box I get is the base box, and you would spend $25 a month. So $25 is what you would have paid for it, and the value of my box was $138. Even taking out the total for the palette and the brow definer, which I said I wouldn't really use, I still have 3 products that I'm very excited, and the value of these 3 products is $90. So $90 is the total value of products that I will actually use from this box that I would have spent $25. So I feel like that's a really great value. And like I said, I'm such a lover of eyeshadow brushes. I'm really excited for this. I actually needed a face moisturizer, so that worked out really well, and I've always been curious about the brand. And the bronzer is like totally like coming out of left field. I totally did not expect to even want to try it, but I'm excited to try it because the formula feels so nice, the color looks so right, and I cannot wait to try this. So 3 products out of my Boxycharm box. I'm excited. Let's move on to Try Beauty Box and see if it could compete. Okay, as I said, Try Beauty Box, but they're now sending their boxes in bags, so it's a little confusing, but Try Beauty Box, I actually have done 3 boxes of theirs in the past, and the last time I unboxed them, I said I was going to take myself off and unsubscribe, but I actually ended up just pausing my subscription, and I meant to go back in a little bit and like see what the next box would be, and then decide from there if I wanted it or not. And then I totally forgot and got charged. Like this is me like every single month. Anyway, I paid for another box, kind of accidentally, but it was my own fault for not unsubscribing officially. So I figured, you know what, let's unbox it again and see if maybe they can surprise me, see if I want to continue it. So let's just jump right in. I don't know if there's a card. I see some paper. Let me pull it out. Okay, this is from like the Lacora Jewelry. Hey Tribe, we are a Toronto-based jewelry company carrying the newest trends of gold, plated, and sterling silver jewelry. Enjoy 10% off your entire order at our store with code TBB10. If you want to look at jewelry, check them out. I've never heard of the brand before, but you can get 10% off. There's that. I'm not in the market for jewelry, so I'm going to resist. But yes, I do have a card, so good to know for me to add up all the prices and stuff, and I don't have to Google. First thing I'm going to grab is, I was so hoping that I would get this. I am so excited. This is from Nomad. Nomad, I just talked about them in my last Will I Buy It and saying that I really wanted to try the brand, and now I got the, what is this even called? Lago di Como? Let me see. Okay, it's the Lake Como palette. This retails for $27. Oh my goodness, the packaging is so pretty. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. And it's a blue with some green in it. Oh, the color story. I am excited. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and stick up swatches over the screen so you guys can see. I don't want to touch them yet because I kind of want to take a picture of it. It's so pretty. I want to take a picture for Instagram so you guys can see the swatches. I'll see them in a little bit when I go do this after I'm done recording this video, but they look so pretty. So I'll definitely be using it at some point and including my review with the looks that I do in my Palette Palooza. So I am so excited. Great first start to this bag. Okay, next is Acne Pimple Master Patch. Okay, this is from COSRX. Retails for $6. Okay, most everything on the back is in a different language, so I don't know what the ingredients are. I'll have to look and see, because if it has like salicylic acid and stuff like that, and you're not supposed to use that when you're pregnant or breastfeeding, which I am breastfeeding right now, so I might not be able to use this, so I'm gonna set it aside and see. This has 24 patches though, so I feel like that's a really good number to get a feel for this product, and it's $6 for 24 patches. Not bad. Okay, next up is a oil. Marianella, oak moss, and coconut golden oil with argan, marula, pomegranate, and grapeseed oil. Lots of oils. This retails for $36. And it's a elixir that will nourish your skin with powerful and beneficial combinations of oils. So it's just like a skincare product, I think. It's not like makeup. Shake well before you use. That's really neat. Maybe I'll give it to my mom. She loves oils and stuff like that. I tend to not like oils. Number one, I don't like that feel I have on my face afterwards. Like, I don't like that oily, slippery feel on my skin. I like it to kind of just dry down with my skincare and be done. So I don't think I'm going to be using this, but it is a neat addition to the box if you like. Wait a minute. I just realized it said shimmering oil. I think this is like a, oh, this has got a shimmer to it. I can kind of see a haze. Oh, definitely, I don't want that. I don't want to look like I'm a Tin Man. Okay, almost missed that fact. So yeah, I'm definitely not going to be using that. I'll see if my mom wants it. If not, I'll find a good home for it. But for me, this doesn't add anything to the value of the box. Okay, next we have two brushes from Luxie Beauty. Again, I love brushes. One is the 506 Duo Fiber Brush, which retails for $25. And then we also have the 660 Precision Foundation Brush. Yes, I think I have this already. Yep, here it is. This is a brush I use pretty much every day. I love it for my contour. I love using duo fibers, so I'll have to see if I want to have two. I don't need to have two brushes, but you know the addict in me wants two brushes, but I think I'll set this aside and not use it. But this brush, I might as well use it. I like Luxie brushes, what can I say? And this one looks like it'll be really nice for setting my under eyes. I already have like 5 that I can use for that purpose, but what's one more? Okay, and very last is from Wander Beauty. This is the Double Date Lip and Cheek product. Let me see if I find scissors. Oh, this is interesting. Let's see. It has, oh, I assumed it was just like a Double Date Lip and Cheek. I assumed it was just a product you can use on your lips or cheek, but it actually has like, can I open the top? The top is for your cheek. It's a cream. I'm sure you could use it for your lips too, but the bottom is like a lip conditioner. So it's got a little 2-for-1. I don't think I'm going to touch it though, because this is definitely not me. It's a cream cheek product. I have one I like, but even then, like, I'm not using it all the time. And the whole lip conditioner in the pan isn't for me. I just like a stick to kind of slather it on and go. But it's a neat concept. It retails for $22. So definitely a more pricier product, but it's just not something I'm going to realistically use. So I'll probably list this on my Poshmark and along with anything else I don't like in the Try Beauty box. Since I purchased that, I tend to put any products that I don't want at a discounted price on Poshmark or Mercari if I can get around to it. So if you're curious about that and want to check it out for a lower price, I'll leave the link to my Poshmark down below. Give me a couple days. It takes me a while, but that's probably what I'll do with it just because I don't need it. I'm not going to use it. Okay, so for the Try Beauty box, that doesn't come every month. It comes every other month. And so for a Try Beauty box, I spent on this box $39.98, and the total value for my box came out to $139, which I feel like is a really good value when you're kind of considering the price. Yes, I pay more for Boxycharm, but with Try Beauty box, I give them a couple extra points because they do tend to introduce me to brands or smaller indie brands that I haven't heard of or haven't got the opportunity to try, like the Nomad. I think that's really cool that they partnered with Nomad and was able to include their palette in their box. So I do like that about it. So $139 is a really good value when you're spending about $40 on the product. But let me take out the value of the products that I'm not really excited to use and don't plan to get use out of from my bag. Okay, so I didn't realize I wasn't going to use as much. Okay, and to their credit, they didn't know that I already had like Luxie brushes, so I'm only going to be using one, so that does detract a little bit because these are like I think $22 and $25. So something to note there. I'm not going to be using the Wander Beauty. I'm, like I said, 99% sure I'm not going to be able to use the pimple popper patchy thingy. And then the oil, I'm not into oils that much, and I'm definitely not into shimmering oils. So also something I'm not going to be using. So looking at this box, the only things I'm using are these two, which, I mean, they equal $50. So at least I got more value in the products that I got in my bag than I spent. Granted, it's only about $10, but it came out on top. In my past boxes, if you're ever curious to go watch them, in my past Try Beauty box unboxing, I feel like I tended to be in the red when it came to the products that I would actually use. So at this point, trying to decide which one won. Let me think about this. Okay, so in the tribe, as I said, the two products that I'm really excited are these two, and then in the Boxycharm, the products that I'm excited, let me see if I can pick these all up, are these three, if you guys can see them over there. The moisturizer, the bronzer, and the brushes. It's really close. Like if you're going just by price, I'm pretty sure this is going to win out because the GlamGlow is so expensive. They came in really close. They came in really close. I think it's going to be a tie for me. I really am excited and really happy with both my boxes. I feel like what I'm able to use was worth the price of the box, which always has me happy and which is always kind of like my goal. If the products that I'm excited for at least equal or exceed the value of the box, then I'm happy, and both of the boxes did that for me today. So I'm super happy. Let me know down below which one would have won. It's really hard for me to pick because it just depends on what I want. If I want an eyeshadow palette, then obviously Tribe Beauty Box is going to win because they gave me an eyeshadow palette. But if we're talking practically, like the moisturizer was pretty nice and it's pretty expensive, so that's pretty sweet on Boxycharm's part. So it just depends on what you like, but I'd love to hear for you guys personally which one, if you got both of these boxes today that I unboxed with you, which one would have won for you and why? What products in those boxes stood out as would have been worth the price for the box? So let me know your thoughts down below. I cannot wait to hear from you guys. I'll leave links to both of these down below if you want to check them out. I believe I have a link, like a referral link for Tribe Beauty Box, but it's one that you can get if you are subscribed to them. It's not like an influencer one, and I think I get either points or a couple dollars off, like $5, $6 off my next box. And then Boxycharm, I don't know if I still have a referral link with Boxycharm since I'm not really working with them too much, but I think I do, and if I do, I'll have that down below and I'll make sure I disclose that it is a tracking link. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. I cannot wait to hear what you guys think, and I hope above all that you guys enjoyed this unboxing video and enjoyed getting to see me compare the boxes. But yeah, with all this said, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up on your way out as it helps me in the whole YouTube algorithm. And if you want to continue getting daily content from me, I am LadyKatie92 over on Instagram, and you can follow me over there and interact with my content for a chance to get a shout out at the beginning of my videos. But yeah, with all that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.